So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu and try to go to your phone setting. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. Now wait for it to load. After that, what you have to do is to tap on see your apps. So after tapping on see your apps, what you have to do is to try to search for Amino app. Just tap on it when you find it. Then after that, tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Go back, tap on notifications and make sure every show notification is toggled on over here. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is toggled on. After that, you have to go back, tap on advanced. Then what you have to do is to tap on app details. Now you are going to get to Google Play Store. So over here, what you have to do is to tap on update over here. If you are seeing update over here, tap on it to get the latest update of this app. After that, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends.